We had a class together, you know. Intro to Modern Philosophy.
What? There's like a million people in that class. It's like Woodstock.
So, are you doing anything over the break?
I'm getting that laser eye surgery.
But your glasses look so good on you.
How would you know? I never wear them outside my dorm.
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for the entire eastern seaboard. Temperatures will plunge with a wind chill reaching 30 degrees below zero.
What the hell is this? Are we lost or something?
It's a shortcut.
Get back on the highway.
Down, relax.
Pull over.
Where do you want me to pull over? There's no
Slow down!
Hello? Any luck?
I can't get a signal.
What's wrong with you? What did I do?
You drove us here!
You think I intentionally arranged for us to get stranded? What kind of a psycho do you think I am?
Hello? We just had an accident. We could really use some help here. What the hell?
Hey.
It was weird. I just saw some guy he's gone. It's like it was...
There's the ruins of an old house or something up on the hill. I didn't see anyone. There's somebody up there. But I found these old newspapers.
2 found dead in tragic accident. Family freezes in car. Police officer burned alive. Every winter there's freak accidents on this road. They say when you freeze to death, it's just like going to sleep.